All right, so what we're doing now is we're getting on new lug nuts for this 91 Civic. Not lug nuts, but studs, wheel studs.
Bam.
So instead of slicing each one of these things, just 1/4 of it, we just cut a little bit, just a tiny bit there with the grinder, but we had to take off 3 Phillips on this backing plate, and then from there,
Undo.
we had to cut it, this backing plate, so it can move, and then we got able to get the Daniel grinder in. You want some oil in there, or that's gonna make it too slippery? Is this hammer better?
Okay. There it is.
Nice.
Yeah.
And now we gotta put a lug nut in. Is this tool or the other tool? That one.
Okay,
Here.
one more.
One more, yeah. Not yet.
No, not yet. Where's my screwdriver? We must be in gear or something.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying.
Well, does it matter because the other one's on the ground?
That's what it is. That thing, but I don't know why it was.
You want me to jack up the other side?
You got another jack?
Yeah.
Hang on, let me try to see.
Well, you get the point.
Gotta go the other way.
Fuck.